Igbo bụ Igbo ndewo unu. Nwanne m achọrọ m ka m gosi gị something. Sonye m, achọrọ ka m gosi gị something. If you remember last time I told you that here is my poultry farm. Here is my poultry farm. See, show them, show them. Show them. Come, 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 come. Come show them. Come show them. This is my turkey. You see, this is my turkey. You see it. Then, see this one. I just bought this one. But I have to show you something. If you remember last videos I did. So the harvest, yeah. You see it. This is one of my fowl. This is one of my fowl. Oh yeah. You can see that all of them they fight. Yeah. Well, I don't do. Well, I don't do. Yeah. 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 Shall we see him? Hey, it's too heavy. It's too heavy. If you remember the last time I showed you this, there was, you see it. I just want to show you.
He's not talking. He's talking.